Quick demo on one of the new lyres I built. This one is I stained walnut and I put some brass work on it. And this model, I'm gonna have a floating tailpiece, little stain engraving on it, little brass work on the side. But I put a sound bar at top, and sound bar gives something for the strings to rest on, because the average lyre just has a string going to the tuning pegs and doesn't have any type of support on them. And I wanted to try a couple models. I've seen some other lyres on YouTube where people had some models like that. I don't know how authentic it is. I think some of the Greek lyres had some bars going across, but this one I got tuned to A, C, D, E, F, G. I got that backwards. A, C, D, E, F, and G. But it's got a great sound to it. One thing about the sound bar up top is that it has all the strings level, so it makes strumming a lot more easier. These are smaller instruments, you know. They're 24 inches long. They're 6.5. They're almost 6 inches wide. They're not very deep. They're about 1 inch deep in depth. But the sound on them, when I first made one of these and played around with it, I couldn't believe how good the sound is, because they're actually loud enough to play in a room without amplification. Because they're small and weird, there's really no room to put a jack in it. But you can buy the pickups that stick to the back of the instrument with a little sticky tab. That works really good, but they're loud enough where you really don't need a pickup in a closed room. My big nubby fingers.